Hello, welcome. My name's Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums. I'm making a sound demo video. It's to accompany one of our Etsy listings, and it's for this gorgeous little drum just here. Now this is a horse skin drum. It's on an ashwood frame. As you can see straight away, obviously it's been dyed, so it's got started off with some red dye and sprinkled a little bit of dark black dye to mingle in, so it's got this beautiful mottled effect on there, which is rather gorgeous. If I turn it over, you can see it's been laced in this particular style, so it's got artificial sinew here. The hoop here, that's artificial sinew too, and it's bound with this wool. And I've tried to use this red and black and greys to kind of complement the colour of the skin. These are beechwood, trimmed in the middle here with a little bit of leather, just to make that more comfortable to hold and add a little bit of extra decoration as well. On the inside of the drum frame, I put some information. So I put the date when the drum was birthed, which was the 29th of January 2023 in 9 Parish, UK. That's to enable you to find out what energies were around on that day astrologically when the drum was birthed. I put my maker's mark in there as well, Driftwood Hollow Drums, and also ash and horse, so you've always got that record of the animal energy and the wood tree energy that went into the birthing of this drum. So let's have a little play. I'm going to play with a softer beater and a firmer beater, both give a slightly different sound. So yeah, you'll hopefully discern the difference between the two of those. Either one of those are available to purchase alongside the drum if you decide that this is the drum for you. So here we go. Did I lose a beat? I did. Here we go. Just make sure there's nothing on there. Okay. The firmer beater. Beautiful. A lot more brighter with a firmer beater and more muted with a softer beater, as you would have heard. So we're in competition there with the wind chimes. They were all clanging away, so I hope they didn't ruin the effect of the drum playing there. Yeah, so I hope this video's helped. I hope it helps you to make a more informed decision when you're coming to choose your shamanic drum. So it's a challenge online, so it's nice to be able to hear what the drum sounds like, and that's why I make these little videos. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye for now.